So what you making, babe?
Meatloaf.
And mini meatloaves.
Muffin meatloaves. Damn it, guys, tried this. This is so easy. Oh my goodness, and all the crispies get around all the edges. It's not just for muffins. Dilly and everything. That's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much that.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. You just seize the broom.
Last night I was sitting watching a sunset on the beach. Today I'm doing a recipe. Okay. Set. Got too much stuff going on over here. Let's put that over there. I used you. Alright. Spicy. We're making these tacos. That was 4 teaspoons.
Why you put oil on your hands?
That way all the meat doesn't stick to your hands. Works great. You get it all on your fingers. Nothing sticks. I know it looks like you're moisturizing yourself, but works. Yeah, look. Oil. We're going to start out small. Just make them into a ball. And then we'll push them in there.
Did you pre-oil the pan?
Yep. Put oil in the pan. Just getting enough in there so I can put more in it. A little bit in a minute. Smells good. Even though it's raw, it smells like taco and sweetness. That's what she said.
Okay, so you have a lot left.
I do. And now I'm just going to find the ones that need more. Kind of like that. Kind of push them down a little bit.
It doesn't have to be well rounded.
Well, not really. It's just, it's not a muffin. It's not going to rise.
So it's not like a cookie, it'll just fill in the gaps.
Yeah, you just make them like that. You know, kind of squish them down just a tiny bit. We're making kind of like a little bit of a muffin, but not, I mean, it's a meat. You know? It's not like, you know, what do I like to eat? Oh, pumpkin. I like pumpkin muffins. So they're kind of like big meatballs. And they, I mean, you can do this like on a pan and stuff, but I think it's really good to do it in like on the muffin pan. For one, all the edges get all crispy and everything. Yum. A little bit left. Let me see. We need some stuff. That one and that one. Definitely juicy. Let's see what they look on the bottom. See if I can. Not yet. A little bit longer. I'm looking for more crispy. Still lots of juices down there too. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, that looks perfect.
Look at that.
It's kind of golden. So what makes them all yummy and stuff?
The muffin pan.
Not the muffin man, the muffin pan.
Well, because they get crispy on top. Let me see if I can do this without burning my fingers. They get crispy on bottom. Look at that. Yummo. I'm gonna turn that back around. And it's really yummy.